Welcome back. Today we are solving this algebra problem. If x plus 1 over x equal to 3, uh, we need to find this given x plus 1 over x equal to 3. Uh, we cube both sides of the equation. Okay. X plus 1 over x to the cube is x to the cube plus 1 over x to the cube plus 3 times x times 1 over x multiply x plus 1 over x equal to 3 to the cube 27. Okay, we cancel x, then x to the cube plus 1 over x to the cube plus 3 times x plus 1 over x equal to 27. Okay. Uh, this expression equals 3. Then x to the cube plus 1 over x to the cube plus 3 times 3 equal to 27. Then x to the cube plus 1 over x to the cube equal to 27 minus 9, 18. Okay. Okay. Uh, Using the distributive property, uh, x to the x times x to the 1 over x plus x to the x times 1 over x to the x plus 1 over x to the 1 over x times x to the 1 over x plus 1 over x to the 1 over x times 1 over x to the x. Okay. Uh, uh, if the bases are the sum, we add the exponents uh, x to the x plus 1 over x plus 1 over x to the x plus 1 over x. Okay. Uh, some exponents just multiply the bases plus uh, x times 1 over x to the x plus 1 over x times x to the 1 over x. Okay. X x plus 1 over x is 3 x to the cube plus 1 over x to the 3 plus we cancel x 1 to the x plus 1 plus 1 to the 1 over x 1. Okay. This expression equal 18. 18 plus 2 equal to 20. Okay, thank you.